Welcome to our comprehensive video on the best times to eat for weight loss. Losing weight can be a challenging task, but the timing of your meals can make a big difference in your success. First, let's talk about breakfast. Many people skip breakfast in the morning, thinking it will help them lose weight. However, research has shown that people who eat breakfast tend to have an easier time losing weight and keeping it off. Eating a healthy breakfast is essential to start the day with energy and focus. A balanced breakfast that includes a variety of food groups, such as protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, is a great way to start the day. One great option for breakfast is Herbalife's meal replacement shake. This shake provides a balanced amount of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning, preventing overeating later on. Additionally, it can be customized with different flavors and ingredients to suit your taste preferences. Another option for breakfast is oatmeal. Oatmeal is a whole grain that is high in fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. You can add a variety of toppings to your oatmeal, such as fruit, nuts, and seeds, to add extra flavor and nutrition. Eggs are also a great breakfast option, as they are high in protein and healthy fats. You can prepare them in a variety of ways, such as scrambled, poached, or boiled. Pairing eggs with whole wheat toast and a side of fruits will provide you with a complete and balanced breakfast. Next, let's talk about lunch. Eating a balanced lunch, including protein and vegetables, is important to help you feel full and satisfied throughout the afternoon. Eating a salad with your lunch is a great way to add extra fiber and nutrients to your meal. Salads can include a variety of greens, such as lettuce, spinach, and kale, as well as a variety of vegetables, such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Adding a source of protein, such as chicken, fish, or tofu, to your salad will also help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Another great option for lunch is a sandwich. A sandwich can be made with whole wheat bread, and filled with a variety of ingredients, such as lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats. A sandwich can be a great way to get in a variety of food groups in one meal. Drinking 1 glass of water 10 to 15 minutes before the meal will help you feel more full and satisfied. It will also help to hydrate your body and boost your metabolism. When it comes to dinner, it's important to keep portion sizes in mind. Eating a large dinner late at night can lead to weight gain, as our bodies aren't as active at night and we're less likely to burn off those extra calories. Eating a smaller, balanced dinner earlier in the evening, ideally at least 2 to 3 hours before sleep, can be a better choice for weight loss. Those who are controlling their weight with Herbalife's program can have their dinner meal replacement shake, which will provide them with the necessary nutrients and will help to control the calorie intake. This shake can be customized with different flavors and ingredients, and it will provide you with a balanced meal that is easy to digest before bedtime. Another option for dinner is a stir-fry. A stir-fry is a great way to get in a variety of vegetables, as well as a source of protein, such as chicken, fish, or tofu. Using a small amount of oil to cook your stir-fry, and adding a variety of spices, can make for a flavorful and satisfying dinner without the added calories. It's also important to note that snacking can play a role in weight loss. Eating small, healthy snacks throughout the day can help keep you from feeling overly hungry and overeating at meals. Some great options for snacks include fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Herbalife's protein bars and shakes are also great options for snacks, as they provide a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied. In summary, timing your meals and choosing the right foods can make a big difference in your weight loss journey. Eating a healthy breakfast, balanced lunch, and smaller dinner earlier in the evening can help keep you from overeating and promote weight loss. Additionally, drinking water before meals and snacking on healthy options throughout the day can also aid in weight loss. Remember, Herbalife's meal replacement shakes and protein bars can be a convenient and healthy option for all meals and snacks. Consult a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss program. Thank you for watching and happy weight loss journey.